Okay, so what I plan on doing in this video is basically showing you guys what I've learned so far ever since starting to learn the code. I want to say that I've started learning to code about mm, a week or two ago. Yeah, I'd say that's a good estimate. And basically, what I wanted to show you was what I've learned so far. So as of right now, I'm actually using a Chromebook, which I much rather, which is pretty good so far. I don't really have much experience coding on other types of laptops, mainly like a Mac, but so far it's been doing the job quite well. So I don't, and I've been using Visual Studio Code. So right now I don't have any files or folders to edit. So I plan on use coding in Visual Studio Code, but for right now, I'm planning on creating a file, and I'm gonna do that through the terminal, which I know a little bit about. So yeah, this is the terminal. This is pretty much where you tell your computer what to do. I find it pretty cool. You use the ls command to view all your files, and this code underscore 1.47. This was the Visual Studio Code file, which I ran and eventually installed Visual Studio Code. So what I plan on doing is making a folder. So you do that with make directory, and I'll just call it video course. Okay, so I created a video course folder, and once I hit ls, you'll see it right here. I'm pointing towards it as if you guys could see it. But yeah, you'll see it right here. And you can actually go to it by doing the change directory command or cd video. And you can hit tab to show it. So video course, hit ls, and as you'll see, there's no folders in there. Well, there's no files in there. So you make a file by using the touch command. So touch, and I'll create a folder file called index.html. Seems to be the standard home HTML file. So yeah, and here it is. So I'm gonna open up Visual Studio Code. Taking a minute to load. Okay, so I'm gonna open up a folder. Taking a second. Okay, so I'm gonna open up a folder. Seeing that's the folder I created, video course, and it has the index.html file. So I'm gonna open up the video course folder, and and you'll see it's open through the left over here. So I'm gonna open up my index.html file, and here it is, our blank canvas. Okay, so basically, like I said before, I'm gonna show you guys what I've learned so far. I'm gonna see if I can close this or move it to the side. Okay. What I'm gonna start off with is the HTML boilerplate. So, so I start off by putting in the doc type, TYP. I could hit tab and like let it finish for me, but I usually prefer to like type it out myself just to make sure I get it right. Once I become more comfortable, that's when I use the tab key more often. Okay, so I put in the doc type HTML, and then after that, I'm gonna put in my HTML tag, closing tag, and it does it for me. And yeah, there go the HTML tag. And then I start off with the head tag. And as I'm creating new tags, I see it's automatically indenting. So, matter of fact, I prefer it to be, yeah. I usually prefer, since those are like the main tags, I usually prefer it to be at the same level. Whoops. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my boilerplate. So underneath the head tag, I'm gonna put in the meta elements. So I'm gonna start off with meta name, and then that's gonna be the description. Then you put the content attribute, and then I put my coding experience. So what goes underneath the meta description tag is this is what pops up under search engines. So I'm just gonna bring up an example. Go to Google. So I'm gonna type in YouTube.